Hi, my name is David Welch. You've seen my thousands of YouTube videos showing you how to take care of your classic trucks. Today I am coming to you from Brothers Tech Center to help you out with a very common problem you run into with your Suburbans and your Blazers, and that is this top hatch lift right here. The supports that hold it up go bad quite commonly. This one only holds half the time, and the guy that owns it won't even let his wife or kids near it because he's afraid it's going to crush their brains in. How are we going to help you with that? We've got nice new modern gas charged shocks, just like you see on the cars and the trucks today. It installs very easy, you need very few tools, and it only takes about 20 or 30 minutes. You might want to get a couple of things set up, a little bit of grease, a little magnetic plate here. It's got a couple of small pieces we don't want to lose, and I'll show you how to take care of this. First, we're going to want to take the screws out of the top. Now I'll get a sturdy wrench on here and I'll clean up the threads. Don't hammer on it too hard, you might do yourself some damage. Now you'll need to take these out first because you can't get to the lower screw until these are out. Again, make sure you got somebody holding this up. I've already put the shock on the other side, so I shouldn't have to worry about this taking my fingers off. It comes out pretty quick. And now that this is down, I can get to this screw right here, which is not accessible when the support is all the way up. I'll get these guys out of here. So first what I want to do is show you our support and how it's going to go together. You've got these little ball joints right here, so to speak, and it's just going to pop right into there. We've got these really small clips right here. You're going to go up, it'll go through, and then you simply push it over and it locks in. Now I'm not going to leave that on, I just wanted to show you. I'll take this back off and I'm going to go ahead and screw the ball joints in first. You're going to go in the lower here, and on the top you've got your two screw holes to go with. You're going to be going with the one that's closest to the hinge here. So we'll get these guys in. We're going to use a 1/2 inch socket to tighten these up. And these actually come with a little bit of grease on them, but I put a little bit more because that's the way I do it. Once your sockets are in there, you just get this, pop it right in, get this, pop it right in. I'll put my clips in here, latch it over, and we'll be all set. Clip. Holes are pretty small, so it takes a little bit to find them. And that is it. Now your old supports wouldn't do that. So we've got safety, we've got modern technology on your classic. Be sure and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see the thousands of helpful handy hints we've got for you on the rest of your truck.